Hello everyone, I'm Edward Herrera from VinylandShirts.com. Today I will be doing a demonstration on how to use our Color Print HTV. Color Print HTV has a slightly different process than regular HTV. Once you load it into your machine, you're going to load it print side up. After your machine has cut it, you will begin to weed it. Simply start at one corner and just start weeding away the excess material. Today's pattern, we decided to go with a shamrock since it's almost St. Patty's Day. It's a good time to get started on these projects. If you like this pattern, we have them available on our website, VinylandShirts.com. So as you can see here, the carrier sheet does not have an adhesive like your normal heat transfer vinyls. Once you've weeded your design, you're going to use a masking sheet, which will be included with every pattern that you purchase. Simply remove it and apply it to your HTV. Take a squeegee, apply firm, even pressure. This heat masking, it's reusable. You could use it several times. I'll normally save it, and you get quite a bit of use out of it. Once you've squeegeed it, simply turn it over and you're going to remove the backing. When lifting this off, you want to keep it flat and simply roll it back. You can discard the backing sheet. Now let's go on to the press. So now I'm ready to press my shirt. It's important to try to avoid pressing the collar if you're able to. Once I set it on my press, I normally will slide it forward so that the collar hangs off the edge. Let me get my Teflon sheet. Oh, here we go. So now I'm going to cover with my Teflon sheet and press it. I'll be pressing this at 310 for 20 seconds. Light to medium pressure, it's all that's required. So after pressing our shirt, we decided it'd be cool to add these little shamrocks and just kind of scatter them all over the shirt, just to kind of give it a different effect. Now if you like this pattern, if you go to our website, it will be in the Paisley section, and it's listed under Green Mint Paisley. So they should be able to stay there for the most part. Quick little trick, if you fold this over, your design will stay in place and you can transfer it over back to the press. And there you have it.